the final part of the video series, The Poverty Programming Trap, Part 6. If you missed any parts of the video series, go back to watch The Poverty Programming Traps, Part 1 through 5. In the Bible, from Genesis chapter 1, there are 4 levels of value. There's the lowest level is implementation, use your muscles. You don't want to do it that way as you use your muscles over time. That's the resource you use to make money, your physical muscles. This is why you're broke. What do I mean by that? Wealth is the spiritual result, not physical. It's nature. It is spiritual in its nature because money that you have can be in more than one place at a time. Only spiritual things can be in more than one place at a time. The thing that gives money its value, there's nothing backing the money you have in your pocket. The thing that makes money valuable is the message that it carries when used. That is how money is a tool. What you do with the money provides the value. For example, a $100 bill is more valuable than a penny, even though the material the penny is made out of, copper, which is worth more than the material the $100 bill is made out of, paper. So if money were a material, a penny would be worth more than a $100 bill. That $100 bill is worth 10,000 times more than a penny. Because on a penny it says 1 cent, which means 1% of $1. So the message that it carries is the thing that makes it valuable. The other reason it's valuable is because we believe it's valuable. So the 2 things that make money valuable are the message that it carries and the faith that it creates as a language. Spiritual wealth is a spiritual outcome, but muscles are a physical resource. Time is the limited resource. If you're multiplying a physical resource times a limited resource and you're attempting to produce an unlimited spiritual result, no wonder you're broke. On that level, we use our management skills to make money. We're not broke. You might make anywhere from $40,000 to $250,000 a year. But if a company's paying you $250,000 a year, here's what that 9-to-5 company wants you to know. They want you to know they own you. They don't care anything about your child's recital, your grandfather on his deathbed. You'll be making the money, but are you enjoying it? Surpass the $250,000 a year mark? The next level above that threshold is where wealth begins to create. Communication is the second highest level of value. The highest level of value is imagination, creativity. Most likely, here your income on the communication level is going to be somewhere between $100,000 a year if you sell insurance or try affiliate marketing online. It might be $100 million a year if you're an A-list actor or an A-list singer, or maybe you write songs, or maybe you write movies, $100 million a year. This is a communication imagination. These are people who come up with the best ideas using the resource of your mouth. You have to have a mouth. You have to learn how to use it. Now, most people have a mouth, which pretty much everybody here qualifies for the first part. You have to start working on the second part, strategy, how to use your voice. Then, building your billionaire mind, the resource you use for imagination. Or your mind and your money to make money. When you do that, this will take your life to another level. You've been programmed to stay below the $250,000 a year mark, or to work real hard and get a degree so you can move up. Myron Golden ended his YouTube video with this key point. Growing up in our educational system, they don't teach you how money works, credit, investing, savings, and taxes. In business school, they don't teach you how to sell. You go to school for 8 years to learn how to be a lawyer. They teach you how to practice all this law, but they don't teach you how to get any clients. You learn how to be a doctor, and they teach you how to work on the human body, but they don't teach you how to get the human bodies to work on for your own practice. And programmed to be broke, and poverty programming is costing you a fortune. That's why you should always say if you're broke, if you make less than $50,000 a month, you can't afford to watch television or Netflix and chill. Use that time to read. Learn about artificial intelligence and Chat GPT. Read some ebooks to learn a new skill you want to do. You don't want people on movies and TV. You want to be the one where somebody is watching you live, your life on TV. That's how people are programmed to be broke for the rest of their life. But not in 2023. You have a choice with ChatGPT. Don't let the cultural, hypnotic, societal mechanism program you to be broke. Your family, your legacy deserves better than that. Prepare to set up your digital real estate. Leverage your billionaire brand to build a profitable future. With ChatGPT, Bard, OpenAI, AI tools, affiliate marketing, and email marketing. I hope you receive some value out of this video series. Listen every day to the series to develop the billionaire mindset within. I can, I will, I must. Let's go! Coming soon, leveraging AI to build billionaire brands with ChatGPT online course. Choice to educate yourself and become a billionaire in the making. Monetize your unique why. No excuses. For the Detroit ChatGPT Revolution Sports, Education, and Entrepreneur playlist, please visit https://bit.ly/change Detroit ChatGPT.